Hey everyone! If you're thinking about building an outdoor kitchen, there is one thing that almost nobody talks about, and it's the reason so many outdoor kitchens look great, but feel frustrating to actually use. Today, I'm breaking down the fundamentals of designing an outdoor kitchen that works really well, not just one that photographs nicely. Most outdoor kitchens end up disappointing because they focus too much on looks, the materials, the finishes, the fancy appliances, but the ones that actually get used all the time are designed around how people cook and entertain. So today, let's talk about the fundamentals that separate good outdoor kitchens from great ones. Before you start picking out grills or pizza ovens, you need to ask the right questions. This is the step that most people skip. Start by asking, how often do you entertain, and for how many people? What's the fewest number of people you'd cook for outside? Maybe you're cooking for just your family, or perhaps you're hosting frequent gatherings, parties, and get-togethers. What's the primary use of this kitchen? Will you be cooking only outside, or will you need more elements like a beverage center and a sink to not have to go inside? How many people will realistically be cooking at the same time? You don't want to have too many cooks in the kitchen, so having the right space should be taken into consideration. Will most of the prep happen indoors or outdoors? If you don't want to keep running back and forth into the kitchen, this is an important question to ask. And these questions overall will completely change how you design your outdoor kitchen space. An important concept in outdoor kitchen design is thinking in zones. You generally want to separate your zones into the hot zone. This is where you'll do your pizza and your ovens and all your high heat appliances. You want to keep this area clear and give yourself enough space so you're not cramped while working over a fire. Next is the wet zone. This is the sink and prep area. This is where you'll wash, produce, clean up, and handle anything that involves water, so it should be easy to reach without crossing through the cooking zone. Next is the cold zone. This is where refrigeration lies, things like outdoor refrigerators, beverage centers, or ice makers. Keeping cold storage close by means you don't have to keep running inside for drinks and ingredients. And last is the dry zone. This will cover storage and serving. This is where you will keep plates, utensils, dry goods, and have space to plate food before it goes out to guests. When these zones are properly planned, cooking outside becomes way more enjoyable. Here we have two outdoor kitchens. On the left, this layout forces the cook to constantly shuffle around or set hot food directly on the counter, or even on the ground, which becomes frustrating and inefficient. With almost no workspace, it also discourages anyone from helping, turning cooking into a solo cramped experience. On the right, this version gives the cook real working room, a dedicated landing zone for food coming straight off the grill, and enough space for a second person to assist without getting in the way. Small additions like extra counter depth, space, and smart storage make the kitchen feel dramatically more functional and enjoyable to use. Great outdoor kitchens are built around the human experience. Ask yourself, who's doing the cooking? Is it mostly one person, or do you regularly have two people cooking together? If so, you'll want wider counter spaces, multiple work zones, and good clearance so you're not bumping into each other. Whether you want an island or not, an island adds valuable prep space and can also double as casual seating, but it also consumes square footage and can interrupt the natural flow of people moving through the space. Where will people sit and hang out? Decide early whether you want guests sitting, do you want them nearby while you cook, or in a separate lounge area just a few steps away. Having people right at the kitchen creates more of an interaction and energy, while lounge seating nearby keeps the cooking area less crowded and more functional for the cook. How's the flow feel between both the indoor and outdoor kitchen? The best outdoor kitchens feel connected, so people can easily move back and forth without feeling awkward. Whether it's grabbing something from the fridge, using the bathroom, or bringing food inside, the best outdoor kitchens feel like a natural extension of your home, not a separate project. Another big decision is whether your outdoor kitchen will be a satellite kitchen or an independent one. This is a satellite kitchen, and it's more of a cooking extension. It's usually simpler and more affordable, but it still relies on your indoor kitchen for a lot of prep, storage, and cleanup. You do most of the food prep, storage, and refrigeration indoors, then you bring everything outside to cook, grill, and serve. An independent kitchen is designed to stand on its own. It has more counter space, better storage, refrigeration, a sink, and the utilities it needs so you can fully cook and entertain outside without constantly running inside. These tend to cost more and take up more space, but they become a real destination in the backyard. The right choice really depends on how you plan to use your space on a day-to-day basis. And of course, we have the specialized cooking equipment. Outdoor cooking has evolved way just beyond a grill. Today we have awesome pizza ovens like Gosney, who are redefining the pizza game. Strong grill brands with rich histories like Lynx, Alfresco, Fire Magic, Smokers, Kamados, and even an Argentinian gaucho-style grills like those from Kalamazoo. The key is not just adding every cool appliance you see, it's choosing the ones that you actually use based on the type of cooking you enjoy. When it comes to outdoor kitchen and specifically cabinetry, there are many brands to choose from. Urban Bonfire is redefining outdoor kitchens by making fully custom high-end modular systems that feel more designed for your indoor kitchen than a traditional outdoor kitchen. Their marine-grade aluminum construction and clean, modern designs let you create a luxury outdoor kitchen that completely tailors to how you actually live and entertain. Danver and Brown Jordan bring true luxury to outdoor kitchens, with fully custom stainless steel cabinetry and refined finishes that feel closer to indoor cabinetry. They're helping change the expectation of what an outdoor kitchen can look and feel like. And also Kalamazoo. They sit at the top of the luxury outdoor kitchen space, and they are known for their highly custom, chef-driven designs that go far beyond a standard grill station. As we wrap up, remember, start with the right questions, design for how people actually use the space, think in zones, and just don't copy what looks good on Instagram. The best outdoor kitchens are the ones that feel natural to cook and entertain in. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe. We'll be doing a lot of outdoor kitchen content this year, so be sure to drop a comment and tell me what kind of outdoor kitchen you're thinking about building. We'd love to hear your plans.